My name's Jason White, and I wanted to talk a little bit about the community paramedic concept, also known as mobile integrated healthcare, in case you're doing a little research in Google. Interesting program. It has been toyed with for the last 20 years in different places in the country, but really in the last few years it's found some continuity in how it's being presented and how it's being used that offers some potential benefit here in Kansas that we ought to explore. The current rendition started in Minnesota, and they have passed some state legislation. There's also functioning programs in Pennsylvania. Fort Worth, Texas is a hallmark place, some rural Colorado areas. The program entails having some additional roles for paramedics beyond the emergency lights and sirens response to critical situations. Provide non-emergency services. Some of those non-emergency services entail checking up on patients after they've been discharged from hospitals to assure that they're being compliant with their medications, and the medications and treatment are performing what was expected to avoid readmission to hospitals. Communities where the local clinic and physician shut down at 5 o'clock and healthcare services are needed, and so some additional training to provide assessment skills and evaluation abilities for paramedics so that they can engage more fully with the individuals. There are cardiology groups that are using community paramedics to check up on patients after they've had procedures. Many services will identify individuals that are more frequently using ambulance services than necessary and have a community paramedic go and provide some assessment. Here in Kansas, to engage a community paramedic program, we're going to have to change the state law and adjust what is allowed for the paramedics to do. And so there's a little bit of a chicken and an egg routine, as many other states have been allowed to start up programs before they had to really get into a legislative environment. The KEMSA has demonstrated some leadership in hosting a meeting in July with many stakeholders, such as the Hospital Association, Medical Society, Board of Nursing, etc., and has opened up the conversations to see whether we can find some common ground to allow for some legislation that would allow for community paramedic programs to get started here in Kansas.